Welcome to Brownlows, new edition today, Ford Transit Custom, just come into stock, 123,000 miles on the clock. It is 10,995 plus VAT. It's a turbo diesel, finished off in white. Like I say, just come in, we sell lots of these vans, this sort of age and mileage, very rare. But when we get them to sell pretty quick, come and see David at Brownlows. They come with a 12 months MOT with no advisories, a 3-month warranty standard. Inside the Transit Custom, we have 3 seats up front. It's a 6-speed manual diesel. We have digital display, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, automatic lights, electric wing mirrors, folding wing mirrors, remote central locking. Like I say, the car will come with a 12 months MOT with no advisories, a 3-month warranty standard. Come and see David at Brownlows Cars. Where do you get them?
Brownlows Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlows Cars, the name you can trust.